When it comes to capturing every moment on the road, the Transcend DrivePro dashcam delivers unmatched clarity and reliability. Thanks to its STARVIS high-sensitivity image sensor, this camera excels in low-light conditions, ensuring sharp, detailed footage whether it's day or night. That means you won't miss a thing, even during nighttime driving or in dimly lit areas. Equipped with a 140 degrees wide-angle lens, the DrivePro offers an expansive field of view from inside your vehicle. This broad perspective covers more of the road, making it easier to capture critical details like license plates and traffic signs. Plus, with up to 1080p Full HD recording at 60 frames per second, every video is smooth and crystal clear, allowing you to zoom in without losing important information. What sets this dash cam apart is its built-in battery that guarantees uninterrupted recording, even if your vehicle's power is cut off. The format-free technology also reduces memory errors, so you won't have to worry about constantly formatting your memory card. And with emergency recording triggered by the G sensor, any impact automatically saves your footage, preventing crucial files from being overwritten. The DrivePro's compact, discreet design makes it easy to install on your front or rear windshield without drawing attention. This hidden witness records your journey without distraction, giving you peace of mind on every trip. Mounting flexibility means you can position it exactly where it works best for your needs. Connectivity is seamless with built-in Wi-Fi and the exclusive DrivePro app. You can view real-time footage, playback videos, and download files directly to your smartphone or tablet. No need to remove the memory card. The DrivePro toolbox adds even more convenience with a screenshot function to capture a single frame quickly and easily. Users across the United States praise this dash cam for its exceptional quality and ease of use. One reviewer calls it sensational, highlighting the brilliant app and effortless Wi-Fi setup. After owning 6 Transcend cameras in multiple vehicles, they recommend it highly for anyone looking for dependable, crystal-clear dash cam footage. If you're looking for a dash cam that combines advanced technology with user-friendly features, the Transcend DrivePro is worth a look. It offers what you need to protect yourself on the road, capture every detail, and access your recordings anytime, anywhere. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your vehicle's safety and recording capabilities. Don't settle for less when it comes to your dashcam. The Transcend DrivePro's STARVIS sensor, wide-angle lens, and smart connectivity provide the clarity and reliability every driver deserves. Capture your journey with confidence and keep critical moments safe, because on the road, every detail matters.